Self-practice 5.3, question 3. The diagram on the right shows the pattern drawn on a Cartesian plane. The final line on the plan is parallel to the y-axis. So this is our y-axis. So the final line is parallel to the y-axis and passes through x is negative 10. So it passes through negative 10. Find the sum of the length of the overall pattern. So the pattern goes on and on until it finishes up at negative 10. Right. Okay, so before we start, actually you can't see it, but actually the pattern starts from 0. So let me just draw this in pink. So this, if you don't put this, you won't get the same answer as the answer in the textbook. Okay, it's hidden actually. Right. So let's look at the progression. So the first length of the line, or the first line, is 1. And then the second line is 0, here is 1.5. So this length is 1.5. And then this length is from 1 to negative 1. So this is 2. And then here to here, from 1.5 to negative 1, this is 1 plus 1.5, you get 2.5. And then negative 1 all the way to 2, so this length is 3. I think we can see the pattern here lah. So 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5 and so on. So our pattern of the lines will be 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and so on. So here we can say our A is 1, our D increases by 0.5 throughout. So we can say our D is positive 0.5. Okay. We need to find the sum of the length of the overall pattern where the final line stops at negative 10. So we need to find how many terms until we get to that line. Okay. So what we can do is we can look at these lines and try to figure out how many more lines will it take to reach negative 10. Okay. Here, this is the third term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth term. So the fifth term is parallel to x is negative. The fifth term is x equals to negative 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The ninth term will be x is negative 2. Maybe I write here properly. X is negative 1, x is negative 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The 13th term is x is negative 3. And it will continue. So the pattern here we can see negative 1 is for the fifth term. Negative 2 is for the ninth term. Negative 3 is for the 13th term. So here it looks like we have to multiply by 4 plus 1. So 1 times 4 plus 1 gives us 5. 2 times 4 plus 1 gives us 9. 3 times 4 plus 1 gives us 13. So we want to get x is negative 10 means we have to times 4 and plus 1. So T 41 will be x is negative 10. So for the 41th term, that means you go 41 times, then we will get our final line, which is x equals to negative 10. Okay. Right. So now we need to find the sum of the whole thing. So we need to find S41. Okay. So the formula for Sn is n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So n is 41, a is 1, d is 0.5. (41 over 2 times 2 plus 40d). We get 451. This will be our total length of the whole pattern.